Hello my fibre friends, and welcome to today's video. I hope you're all well. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining me at Linda's Crochet Nook. I've got can you see the subscribe sign? This is what I got. Brenda the Newbie Crochet, her husband makes these, so I bought this from her, and because I gave her shout outs and added the links to my videos, she gifted me one of her special crochet hooks. I asked for purples and teals. Isn't that beautiful? And it is a 3.5, and it comes in this lovely Hessian bag, and I've got a card. What I'll do is I'll put a link to Brenda's channel underneath, and I got a little card which has got little llamas on. Look, little llamas. A lovely little note, and I got a llama sticker. I've not decided where I'm going to stick him yet, but so thank you so much, Brenda. Very much appreciated. And towards the end of February, I keep saying November for February. Anyway, at the end of February, Hobium had an offer on. If you spent $50, shipping was free. And you know, I'm stocking up on my cotton that I really like. So I got this little parcel. So let's see if I can get into it. I don't, without cutting my yarn. So let's see. I think I've found a way in. Don't you just love it when you can get into the parcel? Oh dear. So I've got, let me just get it all out. So I've got 4 packs of the Yarn Art Rapido, and this is a navy blue, a nice navy blue too, and can you see, really nice navy blue it is. I know it looks black, but it's navy blue. It's 100 grams. I'll keep that there so you can see. So that's the navy blue. I'll show you better with other colours that I've got. And then I got the beige, which is nice too. The beige. And then I got the, oops. Then I got the peony. Is it peony? I think it might be peony. Isn't that a lovely colour? Really like that. And last but not least, I had to get a purple because I've got no purple in this cotton. So, and I'll tell you all about it. Isn't that? It's lilac. It's a nice lilac colour. So, let's read what it is. Obviously, it's made in Turkey. It's a #1 weight, 3mm a C2 crochet hook, 2.5 and a US 2 knit and needle, 400 grams, 350 meters, 382.76 yards, and it's 100% acrylic. Wow, it's acrylic, microfiber acrylic, but it feels like a cotton, and it goes a long way as well. So this is the yarn that I'm using for my granny blanket challenge. So yeah, so I got these colours. I've already got red, white and beige, dark beige, and then I've got these colours. I'll just get one of each out. I thought myself that, so they're the colours, and I thought them two would go really nice together, the navy and the peony. So yeah, so that's my little haul from Hobium. So yeah, we'll see. I've got a few things that I want to make for myself this year. So we'll see how it goes. Right, that's all from me for today. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, and thank you for stopping by. And I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.